We have 5 Platonic solids. The Platonic solids are shapes where all the sides are regular polygons. So they're all equilateral triangles, they're all squares, and so on. And so they're a tetrahedron, a hexahedron, which most people call a cube, an octahedron, a dodecahedron, and an icosahedron, which has 20 equilateral triangle faces. We have some formulas for surface area and volume. So you just apply the appropriate surface area and volume to find that shape. The one thing you have to be careful of, in a cone, we have slant height, which we use L, and we have the actual height, which we use H. Otherwise, we just use the formulas and use the appropriate formula for the appropriate shape, because we've done this before. So if we take a look at example 3, I want to find the surface area and the volume of the cone. So let's write this down. So my surface area, if I look at my formula, the formula for a surface area of a cone is pi RL plus pi r squared. So I'm going to say pi RL plus pi r squared. Now let's fill that in. So I'm going to take pi, my radius is 3, and my slant height is 5, plus pi times 3 squared. So in other words, that'll be 15 pi plus 9 pi, which is 24 pi. That's the exact answer. And then if we use our calculator, let's take 24 times pi. Let me see. I don't have that one open. Let's see if I can find. Here we go. There it is. And then we'll round it to something appropriate. So we'll go 24 times pi, and we'll say it's about 75. So let's say that's about 75. We measure area in squares, so let it be square centimeters or centimeters squared. Now to find the volume of a circle, it's 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Well, my base is a circle, so it's 1/3 times pi r squared h. So now we can plug in our formula. So I say 1/3 times pi. My radius is 3. And my height is 4. So now let's just simplify that. So we get 1/3 of pi times 9 times 4. Well, notice I can reduce that a little bit. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. So my volume, my exact answer for the volume is 12 pi, because 3 times 4 is 12. Then we'll use our calculator, and we'll find 12 pi. And that's about 38. So we're going to say, oh, my volume is about 38. We measure volume in cubes, so make sure you put the correct units on here. So 38 centimeters cubed. There's your answer.